Good morning, students. Welcome back to your accountancy classes. See, as usually, we are with our fifth chapter, naming as a trial balance and rectification of errors. So, in the previous session, as usual, we started with a new chapter over here, and we have discussed many of the parts for this trial balance. So, almost we have discussed about the meaning of the trial balance, exactly what it is, then the format of the trial balance as we have discussed, then steps to prepare trial balance as we have discussed, and then objectives of preparing trial balance. So what is the main objective to prepare trial balance? Till that points we have ended up in the last session. So today specifically, as you can see, you have seen in the previous session, you have gone through format the format of the trial balance. Now here it is a specimen. In this, what all things, the what all items are been coming in this trial balance. So almost here, most probably there are no maximum uh, expenses and income part. Here you can see is maximum the balance sheet, just like the assets and all are there, and few more of the points are not been taken over here. Just for specimen purpose, they have been shown nearly with the 29 to 30 points over here. So few more are there that we will be discussing under the headings of illustration. While solving the illustration, we will get exactly what more, which are the more points to be taken over in the trial balance. We'll see that. That is what already I have sent you all the question. So the same question will be discussed as an illustration over here. The problem will be solving on the board. Soon after this gets end, the slides gets end, the theoretical part gets end. We'll start up with the illustrations. So maximally, what all things are there and where it is been entered, that we are going to see. See, first thing, when you start up the business, maximally the first journal entry which take place is cash account dated to capital account. So almost capital is the debited balance. Now almost going to the other things, just I will highlight normally. See, land and building is asset. There is an increase in assets means where we maintain the entry data side. Remember this. The last 5 points which we have discussed in the third chapter. Do you all remember three golden rules? What we call, we are not going to stick on that three golden rules, but specifically the 5 points, the 5 rules what we are going to take. When there is a increase in asset, it is debited, and decrease in asset, it is credited. That is one point you have to know. Then one more, increase in expenses and losses will be debited. Increase in expenses and losses, remember the word, increase in expenses and losses will be debited, and decrease in expenses as losses will be credited. The second main point, I am rewinding the things, it was taken in the third chapter. As I have told you all, each and every one, that these points should not be forgotten. आपको नहीं भूलना है points. You have to remember till the end of your accountancy, or wherever you go for a work, you need to know wherever you are making the expenses, almost where you are going to enter it. When there is an increase in expenses and losses, almost it is a debit one, and when there is decrease, it is a credit one. And one more, for this was about the asset side. Okay, assets and expenses side. Now coming to the other side, we will see for recording the liabilities and capital and the reserves part. So here in the second point, second part, as I had told you all, increase in liabilities are credited and decrease in liabilities are debited. So if we go for here, see, first is a liability, the capital, almost the capital will be credited. So here, when as I told you, increase in liabilities is credited. So almost capital, if you are bringing, there is a increase, so it is credited, as you can see. Then other side, plant and machinery, land and building, equipments, then cash in hand, then debtors, all the things come under asset side. When there is increase in an asset, where you maintain it, where you keep it, almost in the debit side only. So these are the things where exactly you need to know as well as remember. As you can see in the slides, as all the points are been taken as per this rule itself. Okay, so there these 5 points has to be remembered. So one more was increase in capital is credited, obviously capital. There is an increase in capital, what you have brought, it is increased means almost it is credited, and decrease it will be debited. Then last one, increase in revenue credited, revenue part is there means it is increase means it is credited, and decrease it is debited. So these 5 points or the rules you have to remember to enter this ledger account. So almost if you see the NCERT book, they have directly taken over with the ledger accounts they have provided, and the same they have told you to enter in the trial balance. So instead of going with that, we will be taking direct the ready material directly the amount of the ledger accounts from the problems. That is what the illustration which I have already sent you all. The same is nothing but the ledger accounts and the balances. Ledger account and the balances are been given directly here. So in your NCERT book, what it has been told directly, they have presented you all the ledger accounts. Out of that, you are going to take out the amounts, and then you are going to post it in the trial balance. You are going to put in the trial balance. So we don't want that. We want to see that how we are going to enter this points in this trial balance. So almost as you can go through this and keep for this as a record, and you can revise it later on. So what all points are there that you are going to remember from this, which it is debited, which it is credited. So almost here, why we make here the sales one credit? Do you all know what is the reason? Then even bills payable, it is credited. Then loans, it is this one credited, and one more, creditors are credited. So here, which of the things fall under the liabilities? Almost it will be credited as I have told you. So these points has to remember. I will not go in depth of this now. Let's move and see the further theoretical parts, the methods which we are going to solve the problems. So next, preparation of trial balance. See, what are the methods to prepare the trial balance? Almost there are 3 methods to prepare the trial balance, and which 3 methods, as it you can see in the slide. So here, the theoretically spreading the trial balance can be prepared in the following 3 ways. Which are these 3 ways? First one, total method. Second one, balance method. And third one, total cum balance method, means both. There are 3 methods. First total, second one balance, and third one both, means combined. That is what total cum balance method. Let's see one by one what all things it contains. Here is the first point, the total method. What total method exactly does, that we will be discussing here. So here, this under this method, total of each side in the ledger, that is debit and credit, is ascertained separately and down shown in the trial balance in the respective columns. See, obviously the total of the ledger accounts, it is debited or credited, that will be taken, and that will be maintained or directly entered in the specific trial balance. In trial balance, if the if you see the entries, if you go for the question, if the Rajesh capital account is been taken, okay, first when you start the business, obviously there will be capital account. When it is taken, almost it will be a credit in entry. So as you can see in the previous slide, here it is capital is credited. So in that way, when it comes to the purchase of machinery, if the machinery is been taken, machinery account is there. That is what the ledger accounts. If we have removed the machinery account, where we take that machinery, it is asset part. Where you are going to enter it? Almost it will
Sir,
be
in
debit
debit side.
debit entry. Yes, obviously it is a debit entry. So this is what exactly you are going to identify the items which are being given for you in the illustration. So these things has to be remembered. So these are the things what exactly we are going to discuss in these methods. So here, the total of debit column and the trial balance should agree with the total of the credit column in the trial balance, because the accounts are based on double entry system. Obviously we follow with the double entry system. Is what? In the trial balance, whichever the amount is there on the credit column and debit column should balance it. Means all the total of both the columns should be the same. How and what you are going to do, how you are going to take the entries, you will be solving while understanding the problem. Okay, you will understand how and what we are going to take under which heading, that is what in the credit column or the debit column we are going to use or take it. So further, however, this method is not widely used in practice. Now see, as we can see, यहाँ पर ज़्यादातर ये मेथड, टोटल मेथड ज़्यादातर यूज नहीं किया जाता. उन्होंने बोला अभी कि हम लोग कैसे मेंटेन कर सकते हैं, वो उन्होंने बोला, लेकिन ये ज़्यादा वाइडली लोग यूज नहीं करते हैं. दिस इज व्हाट द पीपल आर नॉट using this method maximum. See, as however this method is not widely used in practice as it does not help in assuming accuracy of balances of various accounts and prepare the financial statement. Why we don't prepare this, why we are not using this method is we will not get accuracy in the answers. For that purpose we don't maintain. Even they told the reason for this, why we are not using this method. We can't get or assume the accuracy of the accounts. For that reason this method is not used maximally in practice. Okay, so this is one of the method where we are going to tally the credit column as well as the debit column of our trial balance. So let's move for the second. Now next it is balances method. Now what exactly now balances method means? So here this is most widely used method in practice. So see, almost balance method means what? Almost that in the trial balance where whichever the columns are there, it is the debit column as well as the credit column, we get balance as there is a accuracy in the accounts which you have maintained. Due to that reason, so under this method trial balance is prepared by showing the balances of all ledger accounts. See, remember these points, you are going to see the balances of all ledger accounts. Whichever the ledger accounts you are going to remove, that ledger accounts are going to be taken into consideration and that balances you are going to tally, and then totaling up with the debit and credit columns of the trial balances to assure the correctness. Now we are going to make the totaling. When we make the totaling, it both the side balance should get tally. If it get tally, it means what? There is a accuracy. So instead of using the total balance, that is what total method, we are going to use here the balance method. Maximum number of people use this balance method in the practices. So further, the account balance are used because the balance summary summarizes the net effect of all the transaction relating to an account and help in preparing the financial statement. Obviously, when there is accuracy of accounts which you are maintaining in the ledgers and that which you are transferring to the trial balance, when there is accuracy, obviously it will be a very helpful for making the financial statements. And what and which are the financial statement? Obviously the trading profit and loss account and the balance sheet. Then normally it may be noted that in the trial balance, normally the place of balance is individual account of the debtors and the figures sundry debtors is shown, and the in balance in the place of individual accounts of credit or figures of sundry creditors are shown. See, obviously one more thing, when we are going to remove the cash balances and all, we end up by saying here summary, sundry total of purchase book, sundry total of cash book, whichever the points are there, that will be totaling. That balances are being taken over to show in the trial balance. Remember this point. See, last these two lines are most important here. See, if we go for this, sundry debtors is shown and sundry creditors is shown. Okay, that is what the total of it, as we have solved in the previous problems. So let's move for the next point. So here it is total cum balance method. This is what combination of both the methods. This is the total cum balance method. The both methods we are going to use here. This is the method of combination, that is what the combination of total method as well as balance method. Under this method, 4 columns for amount are prepared. See, obviously now here we are going to remove 4 columns. Which are that 4 columns? 2 columns for the writing the debit and credit totals in various accounts, and 2 columns writing the debit and credit balance of the this account. So here we are having 4 columns. One is the debit total and credit total, and one more it is saying that where it is writing the debit and credit column balance, and where it is, yes, various account, that is what debit total and credit total, and 2 columns to write the debit balance and credit balance. What is the debit balance and what is the credit balance? So these are the 4 columns which we are going to remove here. However, this method is not used in practice. So almost the second method which is there, that is what the balance method only is been used in practices wherever. So almost not the total method, not this total cum balance method, but everywhere the balance method individually is been taken into practice. Why? Because there are 2 columns, credit and debit columns, all specifically the ledger accounts total will be taken over in the trial balance, and they assume that there is a accuracy of the accounts. So almost that on that basis, these 2 accounts, that is what the first account, that the total balance, that is what total method, and this total cum balance method is not used in practices maximally. The only the second, this is what the second balance method is most probably used in the practices. So till here was the most probably the theoretical concept. Now after this we are going to go for the illustrations which we have already told for you. Let's move for the illustration part. So everyone has written down the question, I think so. सबने question लिखा
Yes,
है.
sir.
So I will just highlight here the question which I have sent you.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rajesh ledger shows the following balances. There is a Mr. Rajesh which is been showing you all the following balances of his business. So here, help him to prepare the trial balance using balance method. See, obviously one thing I will tell you all, we are going to use the balance method only. Why? Because the total method is not used much, and even the total cum balance method also is not used in practices. So where we are going to focus now? Only on the balance method. Only on the balance method we are going to keep the focus. So almost how many columns we are going to remove over here? So this is first you are going to make the serial number, then how many entries are there, that will be taking out here in the serial number. Then we are going to go for the names of account. Names of account we are going to remove, and one more, the debit column and the credit column, the 2 columns as we require to make. Name of the account, and next will be debit. Even ledger folio is there, sorry I forgot, ledger folio, ledger folio, then debit and credit. Okay, let's go one by one. As per the questions I will tell you, I will try to write here. Rajesh capital, Rajesh capital is 60,000 rupees. Rajesh capital account it is 60,000. And next, Roshan's capital, we take it as a credit, is how much? 20,000. Then machinery 27. See, this is a small illustration, so I can write over here. $20,000, then sales. Sales account, wages account we are having. This is 70,000, 5,000. Next purchase. Account, then cash account. See, this is a small illustration, so I am able to write all the points. So next, I will not be writing. Just now, you will be suggesting me which accounts will be taken as a credit as well as the debit side. So almost where we are going to maintain this first 60,000 rupees. Rajesh capital account. So where we are going to enter the capital?
Sir, credit side.
Credit
The
side.
credit
So
side.
the first entry take place on the Rajesh
Rajesh.
capital
account.
account. So what is the amount is 60,000. So almost we are going to take
Yes,
where
sir.
on the credit column. Why? Because
Credit
the entry
side.
for this will be how? It will be just like with the cash account dated to the capital account. For that purpose, there will be a capital entry. Then
Yes,
next,
sir.
even Roshan's account, almost even that is the 20,000 amounts. The second entry also the capital only. Roshan or
Yes,
Rohan?
sir.
Roshan, yes. Roshan.
Roshan,
Capital
sir.
account.
Roshan.
What is the amount? 20,000.
Yes, sir.
Next, machinery. Third one is a machinery. Where we are going to take this machinery account?
Sir, debit side. Sir,
Why we take it as a debit side?
because it is increase in asset.
Increase in assets. So amount is 27,000.
Yes, sir.
So next, Ravi's account.
The
What it means? Debit. Almost it has been told Roshan's capital it is credited, and here Ravi's
yes, sir.
account is debit balance it is. So almost we are going to take in the debit column only. So what is the fourth
Yes.
entry? Ravi's
Sir,
account.
Ravi's account.
20,000.
Yes, sir.
Then sales. Where we take the sales?
Sir, credit side.
Why we take it as a credit side?
Sir, because asset is decreasing.
Asset is decreasing for that purpose.
Because goods are sold to the person, no, sir.
Yes. Then increase in revenue where we take?
Revenue. Sir, credited.
Do you all remember the fifth point? Increase
sir.
in revenue and gain it is credited
Is credited.
and decrease
In
debited.
revenue and gain is debited.
Yes or no? So that is one of the point has to be remember. Sales will be credited. Why? Because
Credited.
we are receiving the revenue. Here it is a revenue
Yes,
part
sir.
is increased. When it is increasing,
Yes.
almost it will be credited.
Credited.
Increase in revenue is credited always 70,000. Next, wages. Sorry, sales
Wages
I got
account.
completed. Now wages. Where we are going to take the wages?
account.
These are the expenses.
Sir, expenses
Increase in expenses should be debited and decrease
is
in expense
debited.
almost
Is credited.
credited. How come?
So decrease in expenses credited.
Then
Increase in expenses debited.
debited. So only one student is attending my class. So only I am getting one answer. What about the others? Yes? Where are you all? Come to the class and respond me.
Yes, sir.
So where we are going to take these wages? It is an increase in expenses. Increase in expenses means where we take this.
Sir, debit side.
Wait, Dilshad, what about the others? Prajwal, where we take this? Bhumika?
Sir, debit side.
David said, what is the reason for that?
Sir, increase in assets.
Increase in asset. See, I know that you are not studying over here. You know, if you are having the doubts, you will be asking, but what about the studies? Where you are busy? Everyone, see, I have told you never forget that 5 points. It will help you lifetime. ये पूरे लाइफ में आपको हेल्प करेगा. आप सीख रहे हो तो ऑब्वियसली कहीं ना कहीं आप पर आप काम करोगे. तो ये सभी 5 पॉइंट जो है आपको याद रखने हैं. मैंने बोला when there is a increase in expenses it will be debited, decrease in expenses it will be credited.
Credited.
So these are the increase in expenses. Wages account means we are going to pay it. This is the payment part. It is the expenses
Yes,
for
sir.
us. So 5,000 is
Yes, sir.
debited.
Yes, sir.
Remember this point. See, I will give you all homework to write 50 times these 5 points. Remember. Next one. After this wages, there is a purchase
The
account.
purchases account.
So where we maintain this purchase account?
Sir,
Debit side.
debit side.
Why we make this debit side? Why we make this debit side? The reason, what is the reason for this? Or without reason we are doing? Which is the first rule?
The first rule, increase in asset is debited.
So what it
and
is?
decrease in asset
Purchase
is
means what you
credit.
purchase here? Asset
Sir,
only.
goods. Yes, sir.
So where you are going to make entry?
Sir, debit side only.
Then
The 2000.
next, last one is cash balance.
Cash
Cash is a
account.
asset.
Yes, sir.
Where you are
Yes,
going to
sir.
take this?
Sir, that only debit side.
Now what
Sir,
is the
debit
reason?
side.
Wait, Dilshad and Prajwal don't speak. Tell the others. I have to answer me why we are going to take this cash account in the debit side. Fast. I need to know the answer for this. Why I have taken this in the cash? Yes, Kritika. Lakshmi. Kilekar. Where are you? Jagdish. What is the answer for this? Why we are taking this cash debit side? What is the reason for this? Yes? I am asking you all something. Where we take that amount? Why we are taking this as a debit only? Cash account. Tell me fast, one more illustration, one more problem we are going to solve. What is the reason for this? Why we took this amount as a cash account in the debit column? Why we are taking? What is the reason for that? Yes? Where are where you all are? I need to get the answer fast. Everyone is present, but no one is speaking over here. सभी कहां पर हो आप? ध्यान कहां पर है आपका? What is the reason why I have taken this in the debit column? What the rule says? Answer me someone. Yes, Jagdish. What is the answer for this? Am I teaching for only one or two students? I will be getting only the answer from 1 or 2 students itself. What about the others? Are you all busy with some work? I'm asking the question for you only. सिर्फ एक दो लोगों को नहीं सिखा रहा मैं, आप भी हो यहाँ पर. The rules, I told you to remember the points. 5 points are there. 5 points, can't you remember? Here now it is a, what it is? Asset. When there is increase in assets, obviously we will be taking the entry in the debit column. Tell me the total of both. What is the total of both column? टोटल भी करने के लिए नहीं आता क्या?
So
Sir,
credit side
1,50,000 of that debit side.
and credit 1 lakh. Also
Sir, in
5,000.
that debit. Yes, sir, it is correct.
कितना टाइम
Correct,
लगता
sir.
है? 88 plus 7
Yes, sir.
15.
Yes,
इतना
sir.
इतना टाइम लोगे तो कैसे होगा आपका? So this
Yes.
illustration get completed. इतना ही
Yes,
है
sir.
illustration और कुछ नहीं ज्यादा. So I will be proceeding for the next question. So see, till you all remember that 5 points, you are not going to get perfect in these accounts. You can't do any of the accounting problems or illustrations whichever I have sent you. So today the homework will be given for you in the group. You will get one homework.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
You all are ready to do that homework, but not to study. लिखने का काम होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर आंसर बताने का नहीं. रेडी आंसर्स मिल जाए तो आप झट से बोलोगे. टेक्स्ट बुक से बाहर है ना ये, तो किसी को कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा, कहाँ से कौन सा अकाउंट आएगा, क्या आएगा, पता नहीं है. यस,
Yes, sir.
that is what I don't like spoon feeding, so I have not given any of the notes for you all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's go for the second one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Check it out, the question which I have sent you, what it means. So we are having here, from the following ledger balances extracted from the books of Mr. Avinash, prepare the trial balance 31st December 2012
18.
or 14 or
18.
18, the year which has been there, whichever the year it is 31st December, the end of the year. So almost.
Yes, sir.
So here we are having nearly 28 entries, and as for the things,
Yes,
trial
sir.
balance I have done over here. Trial balance
Yes, sir.
as on 31
Trial balance.
12
12,
2018.
2000.
Okay, so here we are doing this. Let's go and move over here. So which is the first entry over here? As usually,
Sir,
Which-
capital account.
Sir, capital account.
first one is capital
sir.
account. Okay, capital
Yes, sir.
account.
Account.
Where we take this entry?
Sir, credit side.
What is the amount?
Sir, credit side.
Sir, 4 lakh.
Sir, 4,40,000.
4,40,000. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, second, plant and machinery.
Yes, sir.
The next, plant and machinery account.
Second one is plant and machinery. Okay.
Machinery account.
Now it is the asset. When there is
Yes.
increase in asset, what we are going to take? Where we are going to take the entry?
Sir, debit side.
Side.
Debit
Sir,
side. What
debit
is the
side.
amount?
Sir, for 2 lakh 60,000.
2
2 lakh
60,000.
60,000.
Okay, done. This entry also got completed. Next,
The
debtors.
debtors account.
So debtors, where you are going to take the entry?
Sir, in credit side.
Why we take the credit side?
Sir, because it is increase in
Increase in what? Asset or
no,
liability?
sir, liabilities.
आपने कभी बैलेंस शीट देखा है?
Yes, sir.
हम्म?
Yes, sir.
डेटर्स कहाँ पर आते हैं? लाइबिलिटीज में आते हैं क्या
Yes, sir, assets.
एसेट्स में आते हैं ना? तो असेट एंट्री कहाँ पर आएगा? डेबिट में आएगा कि क्रेडिट में आएगा?
Sir, debit.
Then why you are saying credit one? Yes, wherever there is an increase in assets means where you are going to take.
Sir, debit.
Then how come it went to the credit?
Sorry, sir.
So here debtors 1 lakh.
Yes, sir. 1 lakh it is. Yes, sir.
Yes,
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Then next, interest on
The
loan account.
interest on loan account.
What it is?
Sir, interest on loan account it is.
That only what it is. It is a profit from loans. Here we are going to take interest, means interest on loan account you are going to pay it or you are going to receive. It is not told over here.
Yes, sir.
So where you are going to take this?
Yes, sir.
So debit.
Debit. For what reason we are going to take this in the debit column? The interest which we are going to take or consider it as a payment mode, or it is a which it is you have paid or which you have received on. Yes? Or you are going to consider it as a revenue for you?
Sir, revenue.
No. So we can say expenses.
Expenses. Okay. If you are saying expenses, so it will be a debit entry. So you are
Yes, sir.
taking a loan means obviously you will be paying it the loan. The interest on
Yes,
loan
sir.
you are paying. Means
Yes, sir.
expenses where you take the expenses,
Sir, debit side.
interest on
Interest on loan
loan
account.
account. So what is the amount?
Yes. Sir, 4,000.
4,000. Okay, done. Next,
Yes, sir.
after this wages.
Next, wages account.
Wages account where we are going to take? Yes, where we take this wages? अभी लास्ट अभी 5 मिनट पहले ही सॉल्व किया ना. वेजेस कहाँ पर लिया था हम लोगों ने?
Sir, wages are debit side.
Why we are taking at the debit side? What is the reason
Increase in
why we take it
assets.
as a debit?
Increase in asset.
Increase in assets.
Yes, sir.
It is assets. Yes, Bhumika. It is asset for you.
No, sir.
Then these are the expenses, you know. Wages आप
Expense-
ले
sir,
रहे हो कि दे रहे हो?
expenses.
पेमेंट्स क्या करते
Sir,
हो? देते हो कि लेते हो? यस, आप पेमेंट्स देते हो कि लेते हो?
Sir,
So we give.
You
Yes,
means it is
sir.
expenses for you.
yes, sir.
Yes.
When the expenses increase,
Yes, sir.
where you make the entry?
Sir,
Debit.
debit side.
तो फिर ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हो? आपका ध्यान नहीं है हाँ स्टडीज में. So what is the wages over here?
Sir, 2,400.
2,400. Okay, done. Next,
The next salary account.
salary account. Salary का मतलब क्या है?
The salary means we are paying the salary.
Means it is expenses or income?
Sir, expenses.
expenses कहाँ पर लेते हैं?
Sir,
Debit side.
Debit side.
हाँ, तो थोड़ा ध्यान लगाओ. So debit, what is the amount over here?
Sir, 5,000.
5,000. Done. So next, 7th.
Sir, carriage inward account.
कैरिज क्या आप पे करते हो कि क्या करते हो?
Sir, pay.
So we pay.
एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं, एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं.
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो कैरेज इनवर्ड हो या फिर आउटवर्ड हो, वो हम लोग
ये
डेबिटिंग
भी-
में ही लेंगे.
Yes, sir.
सो
Yes,
कैरेज
sir.
इनवर्ड
Carriage inward account.
एंड आउटवर्ड आल्सो इज देयर.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अमाउंट क्या है इनके?
Sir, 1,000 and 1,400.
ओके, डन. नेक्स्ट वन, 9th.
The sales account.
सेल्स अकाउंट कहाँ पर लेते हो आप? वेर यू ऑल मेंटेन द सेल्स?
So
Sir,
credit side.
Credit side, okay. I need an answer from Uma only. Why we take it as a credit? What is the reason for that? Tell me fast. आपका सेल्स होने के बाद क्या होता है आपका? रेवेन्यू बढ़ता है कि कम होता है?
sir,
It increase.
बढ़ता है. Increase in revenue.
Yes. Then where we take the entry for increase in revenue?
Sir, credit side.
Sir, credit
Obviously,
side.
you should remember this point. What is the sales over here? Sales कितना है?
Sir, 6 lakh.
6 lakhs is the sales. Okay, done. Next, 10th.
Sir, next, return outward account.
Return outward. So
Yes, sir.
you are going to take it as a debit or credit? Return outward means you are giving it out.
Yes, sir.
Means
Sir, it
you are
will be-
going to say as a expenses
Yes.
or any of the capital entries where we are going to take this entry. So here it is been told return outwards account.
Yes, sir.
So which entry you are going to take this? Means which point or rule we are going to apply for this?
Sir, I think so. Expenses.
Expenses increase or decrease?
Sir, increase.
This is decrease in expenses. So what is the entry for this? Return outward it is.
Yes, sir.
Return outward. Return
Yes, sir.
outward is, what is the amount?
Sir,
5,000.
5,000.
Okay, 5,000. Then one more is return. Inward it is.
Yeah, right. Return inward account.
So even this will be debit entry.
Yes, sir.
Why it is
debit
debit entry? Can you tell me?
Because we are getting the.
Increase in expenses it is. What is the amount?
Yes, sir.
4,000.
4,000.
Next, tell me. Next point.
So next, advertisement account.
Advertisement account.
Account.
So it is expenses.
Yes, sir. So debit side only, sir.
Advertisement account. What is the entry for this?
Sir, 2,900.
2,900. Okay. Next,
Yes, sir. So next, office rent account.
office rent. Even these are expenses.
Yes, sir. Office rent account.
What is the amount?
Sir, sir, 4,600.
4,600.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Sir, next, insurance account.
amount, debit or credit?
Sir, insurance account, debit side.
Debit. Why debit side?
Sir, because it is increase in expenses or
Okay.
revenue.
Okay. So it is revenue?
Sir, no expenses.
Expenses. So expenses it is,
Yes,
what is the
sir.
amount here over here?
Sir, 1,560.
1560.
60.
Next.
Sir,
Furniture
next,
account.
Which one?
Furniture account.
furniture account. Yes, sir.
Furniture.
Yes, sir.
What is the amount? It is debited or credited?
So debited.
Debited. What is the amount?
Yes, sir. Sir, 45,000.
Okay.
45,000.
Sir,
Building
next,
account.
sir, next is building account.
Sir.
Building account. What is the amount?
Sir, 2,60,000.
Am I right? I have taken this as a debit.
Yes, sir.
Why? I should take it as a
Sir,
debit.
because it is increase in asset.
Okay. So next one is bills receivable.
Yes, sir. Bills receivable account.
It is a debit or credit?
Sir, debit.
Why it is
Debit,
a,
sir.
why it is a debit?
Sir, because we are receiving the cash.
Receiving the cash. Okay, so we are going to take it as a debit.
Yes, sir.
If there is an increase in revenue, what we make here?
Sorry, there is an increase in revenue credit.
The credit side.
Credit side.
Credit, sir.
Is it correct?
Sir, credit side.
Credit.
Yes?
Credit, sir. Only.
No. Think what it is.
So in debit side it will come.
What is the reason for this? Yes? Bills receivable का मतलब क्या है?
Sir, bills receivable means
Cash.
What?
the cash.
Cash we are going to receive.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So it is with debited.
Deb-
So what is the
Yes,
amount
sir.
here?
Sir, amount is 6,000.
Okay, 6,000. Okay. Done. So next,
Cash account,
Sir,
sir.
next. Sir, cash account.
cash account. What is the amount?
Sir,
45,000.
amount is 45,000.
45,000. So I will move for the next.
Sir,
Continuation.
next bank account is this.
So next it is which one? 19th.
Sir, bank account. Bank account.
Bank account. Where we take this
Account, yes,
entry?
sir. So, debtor side.
Why you have forgot all the things? I really don't know. I will be providing you really the homework in group. I will send you the homework.
The
Yes.
next commission account is there.
Commission account.
Yes, sir.
Debit or credit?
Sir, commission account it is credit.
You are going to receive it or pay it. It has to be known
Sir,
first.
it is not written here.
आप पे कर रहे हो कि ले रहे हो?
Sir, paying.
Paying the commission. So where you are going to take the payment? if there is a expenses for you to pay the commission,
Yes, sir.
obviously it will be expenses will be debited or credited.
Debit, sir, debit side.
Debit side. So shall I consider it as a increase in expenses?
No, sir, they decrease it is decrease.
How it is? Commission आप दे रहे हो तो expenses बढ़ गए ना आपके?
Yes, sir.
So it will be debited.
Yes, sir.
So which entry I should take here? Debit or credit?
Sir, debit, debit.
Okay, and what is the next entry?
So next is next is opening stock account. Opening stock account.
Stock का debit entry होता है क्या credit?
Sir, debit.
Why we take debit? Yes.
Because
Yes. Stock is asset or liability?
sir, asset increase in asset it is, sir.
Increase in asset. You take the increase in asset.
Sir, because stock is a asset, so sir.
Asset, it is a current asset which you will be taking as a increase in asset. So debit entry. Tell me the remaining points.
Yes, sir. Sir,
21.
next is
Purchase.
purchases account.
Purchase account, increase in asset. What is the amount?
Yes, 5 lakh.
5 lakhs. Okay. Next.
Sir, next bad debts account.
What is the amount?
5 lakh
Sir,
rupees
with
is
bad debts is not there, sir. Creditors account is there. Creditors account, sorry, sir. Bad debts is not there.
It is there. Next one.
Creditors.
I will take down here creditors. Creditors account.
Yes, sir. So creditors account is 5 lakh.
5 lakh. Which debit or credit?
Yes, sir. So creditors
Increase in-
account is credit only, sir.
Credit only. 5 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
So next, bad debts.
So debit.
7,000.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Sir,
20.
next is bills payable.
Payable means Expenses.
Sir, yes, sir. Expenses.
what is the
Debit
amount?
side.
Credit
Sir,
side.
amount is 1,20,000.
1,20,000. Next,
Sir, yes. Sir, next discount received bank loan account. Bank loan account. Bank loan account.
loans. Where you are going to take liabilities. It is the liability part.
Sir, then debit side. only.
Debit side.
Credit side, sir. Credit side.
What is the amount?
Sir, amount is 23,100.
Okay. So after this, next,
Sir, discount received account.
sir.
discount when you are increase in revenue.
Yes, sir.
Increase in revenue is credited or debited?
The credit.
Sir,
credit-
Yes, sir.
Uma.
Credited.
Uma, why we are debiting it? Sorry, crediting it? Tell me fast. क्यों कर रहे हैं हम लोग credit?
So, because the revenue is increasing.
Yes, obviously revenue is increasing here. What is the amount?
Sir, amount is 20,760.
Okay, next 2 points are remain. Interest on investment.
Sir, interest on investment account. On investment account.
What is the amount?
Sir,
Sir, 32,000.
Debit or credit?
Sir, debit.
Debit, sir.
Sir, next invest.
Wait, why it is debited? आपने डेबिट बोला क्यों डेबिटेड है? What is the reason for that? I need an answer for this. कृतिका, दिलशाद, आपने गलत आंसर बोला है. आप इसका आंसर बताओ मुझे, क्यों डेबिट बोला आपने?
Right.
यस,
Sir, sir, mm, sir, because it was, I think so that expenses account it was.
इंटरेस्ट आप रिसीव कर रहे हो, आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है कि नहीं? आप इंटरेस्ट उसका रिसीव कर रहे हो तो रेवेन्यू हो गया ना।
Yes, sir.
फिर इंक्रीज इन रेवेन्यू आप डेबिट लोगे?
Yes, sir.
यस, हाउ कम?
So credit.
Just soon after this class ends, I will assign you one homework. I will tell you what you are going to do.
Sir, next is investment account.
You are investing means
Sir, debit side only.
debit. Why debit?
Sir, sir, because it is increase in expenses.
Expenses हो गया investment आपका?
No, sir. No, sir.
Really? Just see after this, make this tally answer, and soon after ending this class, I will tell you. It's almost 10 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer. Tally this answer
Yes.
fast. Why? Because we are having a next class over here.
Sir, wait, I'm doing that.
Huh?
So credit side it is 17 lakh 40,860.